What's the meaning of addendum? Addendum. 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 An addendum is an additional document or piece of information that is added to an existing contract, agreement, or other legal document after it has been signed or agreed upon. The purpose of an addendum is to make amendments, corrections, or provide new information without invalidating the original document. Addendums are commonly used in business and legal contexts where there may be a need to modify or clarify the terms of an existing agreement. In essence, an addendum allows parties to make changes to a previously agreed upon agreement without having to renegotiate the entire contract from scratch.